Okay, this video, let us start the double end chamfer machine for the wood door. Okay, firstly, we will connection the power supply, and then turn on this switch. Okay, here, this one. So the power indicator is off. When we turn on this switch, the power indicator will on. Okay, and then we will power on for the vibrator feeder. Okay, we plug this one. Yeah, and here we will turn on this switch later. Okay, here is the air supply. We just connect the air supply hose and turn on the switch. Yeah, here show the pressure. For this pressure is normally is 0.6 or 0.7 is enough. Okay, for the formal working, we need to add the lubricating oil. Okay, for the oil, you can use the sewing machine lubricating oil or the professional pneumatic lubricating oil. Okay, and then we will turn on the feeder and check and make sure the feeder work correctly. Okay. And firstly, we rotate this by small level. Okay, small vibrating level, and check the feeding speed. If you want to feeding faster, you can see that the feeding speed is very slow, so we can rotate this small. And make sure the feeding speed is good enough for the formal production. Right? If this speed is okay, we will start production. Let us check the top screen here. Here is a switch for auto version and manual version. Okay. Now we see that the manual version, and here is the auto version. And for this one is for the production for single pass or continuous version. Okay, the loop is make a continuous auto production. Okay, manual. Firstly, we show the manual one. Okay, here is a production quantity. If you want to zero, you just press clear button. Okay, zero, and this is the input and output page. When the machine has a problem, you can check whether the input, the sensor, or work correctly or not. Okay, and this is the output. And that auto. And here is manual. Okay, single. So the feed one, this is the feed cylinder. Let us press it. Yeah, this is a feed. Okay. Okay, so we can take off this and feed again. And this one, the feed 2 is for this one. Okay, let us do it. Feed 2. Yeah, and that. Okay, feed 2. Okay, this one is for the press cylinder. Press cylinder. This is the press cylinder. Okay, I will press the press cylinder. Okay. Okay. After we press it, we will just staging in the hose. Feed the wood dowel to come here. Okay. Let us staging. Yeah. You see. Yeah. Here, when we do the milling for the two cutters, we must start it firstly. This is the cutter motor. Okay. For the first time machine working after the power supply connection, we must check the cutter rotating direction. So you can check it fast, start it and stop it. Okay? You can check the rotating direction. When this cutter rotating this way, that means correct. This is this way. Okay? So if we found the rotating direction is wrong, okay, let me clean off it. If we found the rotating direction is wrong, we can just come back to the power supply here. We just need to exchange any 2 phase wires, it will be okay. After we change the 2 wires places, it will change the motor rotating direction. Okay. Now we can start the motor, cut motor. And here is the left motor. This is right motor. Okay. Left one. Come back. Yeah. The right one. Yeah. Come back. Yeah. So for the left motor feeding, we found it cannot milling very smoothly. That means the cutter center isn't at the same place for the wood door. So for this thing happen, we need to adjust the center of the cutter by the 2 hand wheels. Okay. To move these hand wheels move the cutter center leftward and rightward, and this hand wheel is control the centers up and down. After we find the correct center places, it can feed smoothly. Okay, so after we're milling the chamfer for the double end, we can let the press cylinder up. Okay, we can reset this one, so it come up, and then we can let it go back. No, we can let it discharge firstly. So this is discharge button. We press it, it will unload the wood door. Okay, we let it come down again and let the feed cylinder reset. Just press this one. Okay, now it will reset, right? Okay, now we will change into the auto version and make a product. Okay. Firstly, we will use a single one and change into auto version and start the vibration. Okay, and check it again. Okay, and start the cutter and press the start button. Okay, now we will change into a continuous production model here. Okay, so before we press the button, we need to take off this one. For example, if you don't take off this one, I press the button, you see what happened. Okay, so it will happen this way. So we need to take off this. Okay, and yeah, so we need to turn off the air and push it and take off this one, okay? And turn. Yeah. So now we do it. Start the cutter. And then auto loop, start the cutter and press the button. Okay, so for the machine stop, we cannot press this one. We can change into single firstly. Let it finish the cycle, okay? And then we press this button. Yeah, it will stop everything. We stop here, okay? Okay, now the machine is stopped.